Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. First, go to the video description and click the official Adobe Acrobat Pro free trial link for your peace of mind. This will take you directly to Adobe's website, a safe and secure platform. Click on Start Free Trial, then choose the individual plan. This gives you 7 days of full access to Adobe Acrobat Pro, completely free. You'll be able to edit, convert, sign, and manage PDFs like a pro. There's also an option to try Adobe Stock. If you select it, you'll get 10 premium assets free, including high-quality graphics and templates. And yes, you can keep them even if you cancel before the trial ends. Next, sign in with your Adobe ID or create one in a few seconds. It's a simple process that Adobe will guide you through. They will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the 7-day trial is over. Just set a quick reminder so you don't forget. Once that's done, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, search for Acrobat Pro, click Install, and you're good to go. Installation should only take a few minutes. And that's it! You now have Adobe Acrobat Pro fully installed and free to use for 7 days. Remember, this is a limited time offer, so make the most of it to test all its features without spending a dime. Want more tutorials like this, plus exclusive tech tips and tools? Subscribe to our newsletter at 90sectech.com. Quick reads, helpful links, and no fluff. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Acrobat Pro.